Hi friends, make authentic Nigerian bean cake aka Akara with me. I'll be using red beans. Now I'm washing my beans. I'm going to use my hand to squeeze, peel off the chaff and then pour it into water to thoroughly wash and take away any chaff. Using the sieve as well to make sure that I have a clear white beans. Next, I'll be putting in the blender. I'll be using onions to blend as well. I blend sometimes with my onions smooth and I still dice some onions on the beans just to have a crunchy and chewy akara. Now that I'm done blended, I'm pouring into a clean bowl and then I'll be dicing some finely chopped onions, putting Maggi seasoning, and then I'll be also be chopping my pepper. I love to see pepper in there. Do you thoroughly blend your pepper or you chop them into your akara? Let me know how you love your peppers. And then I've put my oil on fire and then I'm just portioning my akara into the oil. You need to ensure that your batter is not too runny so that you can have your akara, aka bean cake, stand instead of just splitting into the oil. And the next thing is I'll be turning the akara in on both sides once it's been fried on the other side. And this is what we have as the um, bean cake, aka akara. What would you be pairing this with? I had mine with Gary. Gary is always a stealer for me. Some people use pap, some people use cocoa, some people use bread, but akara all day, always. Please love, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what recipe you'd like me to film. Encourage your girl, and thank you for watching. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comment section. Thank you.